What up, YouTube? Today is Friday and we are going to be hitting back and triceps, also abs and calves. I'm super excited about today. We are carved all up. We're going to have a great workout and then get to enjoy the weekend. Today it's a beautiful day. We've had a lot of rain, so when it's not raining, I am immediately in a better mood. But about to pull up at the gym and let's get it. First exercise is going to be abs. I like just knocking these out the way. All right, so this week we're on 65 pounds. So we'll see how many we can pull out. So I like this machine because you can also do the side. So here's the front view, side. So Monday I did 10 reps with 30. So I'm gonna try to beat 10. Well, here we go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 2 more. Ooh. Next exercise I'm gonna do is a dumbbell pullover. It's been a long time since I've done these. So I'm gonna start off light first, just to make sure that my form is correct. Ooh, my back popped. So what I want to do is a dumbbell pull over superset and do a palms up pull down. We'll go a little bit heavier, really focus on the stretch. So I used to do these back in the day on just laying flat on the bench, but I've learned that going across, you get a better stretch. Oh yeah. I can even feel my I can even feel my abs engaging on that. All right, we gotta run to the pull down. All right, immediately we're gonna jump into a pull down with about 200 pounds. So make sure this is locked in. Here we go. So the reason I don't do that immediately after the crunch is because you can feel your core activating the whole time, all the way through. Next exercise is going to be a calf raise. workout complete, feeling really good and pumped. Now I'm headed home to get a great post-workout meal, refill all the resources that I depleted. I know I've been saying this over and over, but I will make a video talking about the benefits of keeping the workout short and brief, especially if you're going intense. So if you go intense, you want to keep it brief, be precise, do what needs to be done to stimulate growth, then get out so all the calories afterwards can go to recovery and growth. But if you're in the gym way too long, you're just burning through all these resources that could have went towards growth. I think in the video, the way I'm going to explain it would be, you have two individuals, they both ate the same amount of calories, but one person's workout was twice as long. Which person do you think is going to have better results when it comes to growth if they have more nutrients going into the body for that? I think the misconception is more is better, but not when resources are finite. So we only have a limited amount of resources based on what we eat and put in the body. Well, if you find yourself struggling to eat enough calories and grow, there's all kinds of ways you could increase your calories. But on the flip side, I would say, make your workouts a lot shorter. Make them shorter. Now, when I say short, I don't mean easy. They're still tough as hell. They're just not long. It's like you can either train hard or you can train long. You can't do both. It's like sprinting. There's a reason why sprint races are only so far, because you can only go all out for so long. So if you know that, pick the few exercises you want to improve on, go all out in the workout, and let all the extra calories go towards recovery and growth. But if you're in the gym way too long, man, you're just burning through so many resources. More likely than not, your gains are going to be very small, if any. And a lot of that is because the duration of your workouts are just simply too long. You're burning through all these calories that could have went towards growth. It's the same thing too when it comes to frequency. If you're training every day, when does the body have a chance to recover? You're not allowing it. You're literally burning through all the resources that could have went towards building the muscle. With that said, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. Next workout is going to be on Monday. It'll be chest and biceps. We'll see you in the next one.